Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I am going to explain to you some of the most important SEO terms that by now you should definitely understand. So let's get straight into the video. First, we have search engine. A search engine is a website which allows users to search for content on the internet, for example, Google or Bing. Next, we have crawling. This is the process that search engines take to discover new web pages. Indexing. This is the storing and organizing of all content found from crawling. Ranking. Displaying search results in order of relevance to the search query. SERP or SERP. This stands for Search Engine Results Page or pages. It is the page that displays the search results. URL. This stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is used to specify the addresses for content on the web. KPI. This stands for Key Performance Indicator. It is a measurable value that indicates how effectively a company is achieving a particular goal. Query. This is simply the words typed into a search engine to perform a search. Organic. An organic search engine ranking is earned rather than being a paid advertisement. Traffic. This is simply the amount of visitors that a website receives. Google My Business. This is a free local business listing available from Google. Search intent. The search intent is the reason behind why a user is making their search. People also ask. This is a section you will see on some search engine results pages, which feature a list of questions people have asked related to your search. Searches related to. This is a section you will see at the end of every search engine results page. It consists of other queries that users have searched related to yours. Backlinks. These are links that go to your website from another website on the internet. These help earn authority in search engines. Citations. Also known as an NAP, a citation is an online reference to a local business's name, address, and phone number. HTML. This stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the language used to create website pages. Internal links. These are links on your own website that point to other pages on the same site. Robots.txt. This is a file that lets search engines know which web pages they should and shouldn't crawl. Sitemap. The sitemap is the list of pages published within a website. Relevance. The relevance describes how much the content within a web page corresponds to the search term. Keyword difficulty. The keyword difficulty is an estimate of how difficult it will be to rank in search results for a particular term or keyword. Long tail keywords. These are longer keywords, usually 3 or more words long, and they are more specific than generic keywords. Search volume. This is the amount of times a particular keyword is searched for in search engines. Image alt text. The alternative text that describes the image which is shown when an image fails to load. Duplicate content. Content that is copied word by word onto multiple web pages on one or more domains. Heading tags. A HTML element that creates a heading on your page. These are used to structure the content in a web page. Image compression. The process of increasing a website's loading speed by reducing the file size for images. Keyword stuffing. Spamming keywords in your content to try and get a better ranking. This can lead to Google and other search engines penalizing your website. Meta descriptions. HTML elements that describe the content of a web page. They appear in search results and are commonly used to entice the user to click onto your page. SSL Certificate. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. This is what's used to encrypt and secure data passed between the website and the web browser. Schema markup. This is a form of microdata. When added to a web page, it creates an enhanced description which appears in some search results. Thin content. This is website content that adds little or no value to the user, and it is very bad for SEO. Title tag. A HTML element that specifies the title of a web page. This is used to describe the content within your page. Mobile friendly. A website is mobile friendly if the content within it can respond to the user's device by shrinking to a usable size. Google Analytics. A free tool by Google that allows website owners to track the amount of people who visit their site. Link building. The process of earning backlinks to your website in order to increase your site's authority in search engines. Bounce rate. The percentage of visitors who left your website without taking an action. For example, if someone visited one of your pages and then left your site without visiting another. Page speed. The page speed is the time it takes for your content to be visible and interactive after originally clicking onto the page. And finally, conversion rate. The ratio of website visits to conversions. For example, if 100 people click onto a product page, but only 10 people buy it, the conversion rate is 10%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned some new SEO terms, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks and goodbye.